redneck.
Every year for my dad's birthday. It was his favorite place to hunt when he was younger.
Wait.
Before they opened it up again. I've been out several times.
I've aged 40 years in the last 10 years.
Yesterday, already at the camp. I understand it has been many years since you have seen one another.
Yeah, that's right.
Ah, well, he has quite the impressive reputation, you know.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
Hunting runs in our blood.
Yeah, we shoot lots of wolves.
Park ranger.
I once made the entire population of Wisconsin extinct.
But for me,
You know the bison? Yep, that was me too.
the best safari job in the world. Good for hunters, good for animals. And
That's a funny joke, black guy.
Taking care of us, Ed.
I have a good feeling, Jacob. I think this will be a very special hunt for you and your brother.
I think so too. Very special. Holy shit, this black guy knows how to drive.
Hold on.
Whoa!
Oh, you just pissed off the buffaloes.
Get ready.
Ed? What is that?
Sandstorm!
Oh!
Coming in the back. I need to close the window.
The only way to stop the sandstorm is to kill all the animals.
To help defend the vehicle, or we may be crushed.
We need to kill all of the buffalo, or the sandstorm will get us. Bam! Fuck you, beer. Get out of here.
I got one!
I got one. Fuck you.
Whoa, easy!
Get dunked, buffalo. Why are they so mad at the truck? All right. Oh shit, panthers. Oh no! Okay. Is this a hazard one faces while in Africa? Ah, fuck! Get out of here!
Go!
The Jeep, natural prey of the panther. Vital shot. Get the fuck out of here. I got killed! By what? Fuck you, Buffalo. You suck. What the fuck? What are my options here? Restart level or restart level? Yeah, I guess I'll restart the level then. 10 years later. Again, can I skip this? Good. Go straight to the animal murdering. Oh, that now it's a silent Jeep. Good, the audio crashed. Well. Okay. I guess this will just be my commentary. I'll put in sound effects for the game. Shoot the buffalo. What the fuck is up with that? It just... What? Why? Okay, well, I don't know why it's silent, so I'm gonna get at least to a checkpoint, and then I'll figure it out, because that's fucked up. So I'll continue with silent. I'll keep doing some sound effects for a while. Damn. Uh-oh. Jagalars. Are more of them coming? Vital shot! Finish him! Oh, the buffaloes are back! Down. I wish I had an assault rifle for this. This would be much more entertaining. Just... What, is there more? Oh, duck! Shit! Rocks! Oh, tree! Are those geese? Pick up health pack. Got them. Can I shoot them? Oh, fuck. Why are you driving into... Oh, shit, a rhino! Oh, fuck! Oh, fucking hell. Get back in the car. That's a good idea. Do I level up? Did I get enough experience? Oh, what the fuck? Shoot the wood! Oh, it exploded. That's how wood physics work. Yep. Impalas! Run them over. Die, vulture. Ah, I hit my head. This would be much better with sound, I think. But, that's an... Oh, elephants. Endangered species. Take them out. Oh, shit! Take out! Get out of here! Go home! More fucking jaguars? Are you serious? There aren't this many jaguars in fucking Africa, let alone attacking jeeps that just so happen by. Fuck you, jaguar. Get out of here, you asshole. Yeah, I don't even want your pelts. Someone's going to be walking down the road in a couple weeks and they're going to be like, what the fuck? Oh, more trees are coming down. Does this happen all the time in Africa? This is just one of the many reasons to never, ever, ever go to Africa. Because sometimes all the trees fall over and jaguars attack you. Oh, fuck! Lots of jaguars. What? Is this guy fucking drunk? He drove right into that tree. And these things... Oh, bam! And these things... Are you fucking kidding me? In recent news, the jaguar population in Africa fell to zero today after a rogue hunter drove around in a truck sniping them in the head. Fuck jaguars. Who needs them? Is that water or sand? Or a cliff? It's a cliff. Okay. Duh. Ah, fucking rhino! Get out of here! You fucking asshole. Piss off. Don't! Danger! Stay away! No! Don't go the danger way, you dumbass! Now we're going to get attacked by rocks and baboons and South Africans and more terrorist animals. Oh, they're in the hidden temple of Karn as well. Get the... Oh, it's a lion this time, of course. Bam! Oh, shit! Oh, bear narrow escape! Crash! Fucking buffaloes, get out of here. Get out of my sight, you disgust me, filthy animals. Fucking pigs. Okay, I have to have hit a checkpoint by now, so I'm going to see if I can fix this.